Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to change database collation for specific table in database in PhpMyAdmin. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in PhpMyAdmin and then you see table. So open any table. Now table open. On top you see operation, so click on it. Now operation setting open and then scroll down, you see collation drop down and then you see option change all column collation. So if you want you can enable this and then you see collation drop down. So you see multiple option, so you can select according to requirement. So we select UTF-16 and then click on go. Now you see confirm. So click on OK. Now loading and then you see your SQL query has been executed successfully. So in this way you can change collation for specific table in database. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.